Okay, I thought I was going crazy, but I want to show you one button that completely changed how I use Redshift. Let me know if this has been happening to you. I'm in here, I'm playing around with this nice bright orange kind of reddish texture, and I go to render, and it's way more pale in the final render. And first I thought maybe it's over here, so I rendered it out, and look at how much more desaturated it is. And you know how much I like my reddish orange. So what's happening here? Well, Chad Ashley to the rescue. He showed me this one button. So if you go into your settings here in the IPR and you click this little gear, you're gonna see use monitor color space, and that's the fix. That's it. Why is this not on by default? It's making me lose my mind. If it's also saturated in here, there's also a button here called monitor color space you could toggle on and off. Now this one seems to stay when you toggle it, but this one, every scene file, I got to come in here and check it. So I don't know if there's a bug or if it's off by default. Have you been bumping into this? Is it just me? Let me know if this is helpful, and we'll see you in another video really soon. Bye everybody.